Legacy Exchange Outfitters, luxury safari outfitters in East Africa. Legacy Exchange Outfitters is one of the leading luxury safari outfitters in East Africa, designing tailor-made high-end safaris, family tours, private tours, as well as small groups. Legacy offers guests an exceptional safari experience that is combined with cultural and wildlife experience. We connect our clients directly with the local community because our commitment is based on community empowerment, responsible travel, and wildlife conservation. We believe the most powerful way to learn is through first-hand safari experience by allowing the community to directly interact with clients. Every safari offers an authentic opportunity to explore about the culture and history of our communities by engaging in cooking classes, traditional dance, and walking safaris. Our unique safari programs allow guests to share their great skills and knowledge to help the needy communities to become self-sustainable. Our professional skills, knowledge, and experience will make a difference in the world we travel. The impact that will be made while traveling will be memorable to the local communities, and it will be an unforgettable experience to our clients. We invite our guests to explore East Africa's natural beauty and experience things outside of their comfort zones, to gain an understanding of different cultures and to return home not only with a renewed sense of purpose, but also with an increased awareness and passion for community empowerment, sustainability, and conservation. We guarantee you'll go back home as a changed person after experiencing these life-changing safaris in Tanzania. Together, we create the change.